G'day friends, it's Andrew Goodall here again from Nature's Image Photography, and today I'm celebrating the 6,000 subscriber milestone by sharing another great birding experience, this time at a place called Toorbul. Before we get started, I would love it if you could hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, to keep in touch with more videos like this and everything from my world of photography. Toorbul is a little waterfront community between Brisbane and the Sunshine Coast. It's home to a good range of local bird life, and it's a popular stopover for large numbers of migrating birds over the summer. You can't get too close, but happily the 100 to 400mm lens on my Panasonic Lumix G9 is up to the task. At first glance you could get the impression it's just a whole bunch of birds standing around doing nothing, but the more you look, the more you discover. I've been down to Toorbul recently to shoot some photos and some slow motion video. So now, just for a change, I'm going to cut the chatter and let you enjoy a little taste of the Toorbul experience. Cheers, and thank you to each and every one of my subscribers.